Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix a Honda Accord sun visor. Start by gathering a Phillips screwdriver, trim tool, and replacement visor if needed, and park on level ground. Remove the visor mounting screws and pry off any trim carefully to expose clips. Keep screws in a small dish and inspect the mounting bracket for damage. If clips are broken, replace them before reattaching the visor to ensure secure fit and smooth movement. To remove the visor, fold it down and locate the mounting screws under the plastic covers. Use a trim tool to gently pry the cover off so you don't crack it, then support the visor with one hand while loosening the screws. Keep track of small clips and the swivel arm and lay the visor on a soft cloth to avoid scratches. Inspect the mount for bent metal or worn plastic before planning repairs or replacement. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like to support more car repair videos. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading repair manuals and diagrams easy whether you work in the garage or outside, and it fits in a glove box. I found the adjustable light handy for detailed tasks, and it's light enough to hold with one hand. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. To repair and reinstall, first replace any broken clips or swap the entire visor if the mirror or foam is damaged. Lightly lubricate the swivel arm with silicone grease if it feels stiff, and align the visor with the mounting plate before inserting screws. Reattach the trim cover and tighten screws snugly without over-tightening to avoid cracking plastic. Test the visor for smooth rotation and secure attachment before finishing up and cleaning any fingerprints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.